Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be starting more features of Microsoft PowerPoint. In the previous class, we studied about slide layouts, design tab. Then we have studied about transitions. Transitions are there. Now, let's say I am having a slide and I want to duplicate this slide. Okay, I want to duplicate this slide. Let's say I'm going to write here. And in this, I'm going to insert the image. So here we have an image. Now I want this slide to be copied as it is copy ho jaye. So one way is Control C and Control V, right? You just copy it and then paste it. Just a second. Click on the slide, just copy and paste. So you will get the slide, right? You will get the exact slide. But if you want to create a duplicate of your slide, what you do, click on the new slide option, and in this you have duplicate selected slides. So if you have selected two slides, so two slides will get duplicated. Now I'm having only one slide, so I just click on it. So you'll see the replica of the original slide will be made. This is exactly like copying a slide or not. Now moving ahead with the next tab, which is transition tab. Transition tab is used to apply transitions or animations on objects. Sorry, animation tab. It is used to apply animations on the object like your text, your clip art, smart art, pictures, chart, and shapes. In these kind of objects we applied animations, and transitions are used to move from one slide to another slide. Mark this thing very clearly. Transitions are used to move from one slide to another slide, whereas animations are used to apply on objects. Now there are total three types of animation, basically four होते हैं. Entrance, emphasizes, exit. These are the three main: entrance of green color, emphasizes of yellow color, and exit of this red color. And one more is their motion path. So talking about entrance means how a object will appear on the screen, on the slide. So you have entrance option available. Some of the entrance animations are here. If you want to go for more animation, then click on this option and you can see the list of entrance options available. Now what you will do, just click on any one and you will see it is showing you how an object will appear on the screen. Like if I'm going to select this one, okay, and then okay. So after applying a transition, you can see here one is written. One means that this object is having an animation. One, the first animation मैंने इस पे लगाया हुआ है. Now moving ahead, if I want to add more animations into it, if I want to add more animation, this time if I'm selecting from here, so क्या होगा, पहले वाला replace हो जाएगा. So if you want to add more than one animation on an object, you just click on add animation. Click on add animation. This time we are going for emphasizer effect. So let's just say I'm going to go for pulse. तो कुछ कुछ वर्क करते हैं इसमें, कुछ कुछ नहीं वर्क करेगा. Like blinking I am taking. So blink is done. Now you can see two animations. Number one was entrance, which I have applied. Number two was emphasizer. And let's say I want to make this exit as well. So first of all, I'm going to apply a transition on this now. Let's say आपने इसमें ले लिया flat. Now I want to add animation in this. Okay, add animation. And this time I'm going to go for exit effects. In exits, it means how an object will get out of this slide, will take an exit from the slide. Let's say I'm going to take the spinner. Okay, and okay. Now if I were going to click on preview, so just have a look here how it will work. First entrance is done. Now pulse means emphasizes, the next animation, and then last was this entrance exit. If you want to slower down the speed, you can do it. Very simple. Just here, click on delay. or we can say duration. आप इसको duration को increase कर दो. Now just go for preview option. Now you see it took a long time to take an exit from the slide. Moving ahead, next animation we are having is motion path. Motion path provides you animation on custom basis. Like there are some particular shapes and in that shape only the object will move. So I'm going to insert a new slide first of all to show you. Now here we go. I have a new slide here. Let's just say I'm going to insert a blank slide. I'm going to draw an object here. So this is my object. Now I'm going to apply animation on it. Animation, custom animation, motion path. So please have a look here. Now here just see the working of this. Let's say if I'm going to go for this football. So it will move on the shape of football. Or if I go for this arc up. So it is moving like this only. So this is known as motion path. Motion path gives a predefined shapes and the object moves on the outline of that particular shape only. We have many options available here. Like here we have curvy star. And so many options are available like peanut is also there. Or let's just say I'm going to go for this one. Okay. And you can see here the shape of the object has appeared up. Now if you want that this shape should cover a larger area. So just drag it as much as you want. Now just click on preview button. So it will take a large amount of area. And let's just say I'm going to slow down the speed. So duration को आप इसका क्या कर दो? Increase कर दो. Now see. This is known as motion path. Now, let's say I don't want to give a, I want to customize my own path. I want to customize my own path. So it is very simple. You just click on this custom path. As soon as you click on the custom path, now you can draw the path with the help of a line. So whatever path you will give, it will move to that particular outline. So let's say this is my path. And when you want to finish it, so just double click on it. So I'm going to double click on it. And slowing down the speed here. Now you can see this is my path. And when I will click on preview button, so have a look here. So this is how you can apply for custom path also. So all these are the effects which are applied on an object. If you deselect an object, all these options will get disabled. Because these options will get enabled only and only when you have selected the object. Once you selected the objects, the option will come back. What is the group name? The group name is animation and the tab name is also animations. So both animations are the group name and the tab name. So never confuse with that. One interesting thing about this PowerPoint also I wanted to highlight here. In earlier softwares like MS Excel and MS Excel and MS Word, what was happening? Illustrations was the group in which all these sections were available. In which all these sections available. But in PowerPoint, what happened? It is divided into two parts, illustrations and images. In images, all the images related things are there. In illustration, shapes, smart art and chart is available. So if it is asked in which group or in which group, you can find images option or photos, pictures option in PowerPoint. So this time you will not write illustration tab because in pictures options are available in images tab. I think everybody is aware of this pictures option. If you want to take online pictures, if your computer is connected to the internet, you can go for online pictures as well. Talking about the screenshot, screenshot is you should take screenshot of your screen. Let's just say I want to take a screenshot. So just click on the screenshot option, go to screen clipping. Whatever picture you want to take as a screenshot, keep it in the back. Make it as a background. Background not like this. I'm just going to show it once again. And you can see. Select the desired area. Now let's just say I want to take a screenshot of this new phone. 1 minute, let's just open it first. Yeah, if I want to take a screenshot of this section, for example, so this section has to be at the back end of my PowerPoint window. Just imagine I have opened this one. Now, if I'm gonna minimize it, मैंने इसको minimize कर दिया by chance, and now what happened? My desktop is available. So if I'm taking a screenshot now, so what will happen? It will show the desktop. So whatever section I want to take as a screenshot, it should be present at the back of your PowerPoint presentation window. Now if I click on it, again you can see this section is available. So if you want to take a screenshot of this Excel is this area, so it should be open in the backend. And then you can go for screenshot. I'm gonna click on screenshot. Now you can see here the background that was in the background. Now I came in the front, and let's just say I want to take a screenshot of this area, and done. So you'll see here the screenshot is available. This screenshot feature is available in the images group in insert tab. Now one more tab I have introduced here, which is known as format tab. In format tab, you are having green background option, corrections options, color option if you want to change the color of your picture. Let's just say I want to give this blue color. So you can see the color is changed. If you want to give artistic effects, you can give. It will take some time to load. Let's say I'm just gonna click on it. So you can see some changes has occurred up. So it is completely yours, is how you are going to make your picture attractive. If you want to make it compress, you can compress it. If you want to reset the picture, it means whatever editing you have done, if you want to make it reset, you can click on this option and it will get reset. Changing the picture style, so you can do that as well. Border ho gaya, if you want to apply a border, if you want to apply picture effect, you can go for it. Let's say I'm going to apply a picture effect on this one. Here we go, picture effect. And let's say B level I'm gonna give. So you'll see the picture is the picture is changing. Or if I go for 3D rotation, see, in the same way you want to make it glow, so you can make it glow as well. See, have a look. So this is how you can make your picture attractive. Now let's just say I am having two pictures. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, currently it is in the background. If I want to send any picture in the background or in the front, so what you have, you have two options available: bring forward and 1 second. Yeah, bring forward and send backward. I want to send this picture backward, so click on send backward. So you can see now this picture is in the background. Okay, if I want to make this in the background, so just click on the format tab and then put it on send backward. So this picture will now be sent as a backward. So this is how you can send put your picture in the background or in the front. Now if I want to group these pictures, and what I'm going to do is, first of all I'm going to click on bring forward. Okay, and here we go. Now I want to group these pictures. So just click on both the pictures. Click on both the pictures by clicking on the control but key and then click on group. Group means now this complete picture will be treated as a one picture. अभी एक पिक्चर की तरह हो गई है. Whatever settings you will do right now na, so it will be reflected on both. It will be reflected as a one. So if you want to make some changes, so you'll see. Okay, एक में हो रहा है, it's fine. एक ही में changes हो रहा है because वो smart art है. That is why changes are not reflecting. So this is how we can group a picture. If you want to make it, if you want to ungroup it, so just click on it and then click on again this arrange group, and here we have ungroup option. You can ungroup it also. Now this the picture are separated. 1 minute. See. So this is all about today. Today we have learned about animations and formatting a picture. In the next turn, we will do more features. Thank you, everyone.